already in here. Rubbing his cup on the bar.
Hey noobs, I'm gonna toy own you noobs. Cause I own you, like I own you pretty hard and stuff, right? I'm gonna give you some spanks, just like you're like Kyle, and you suck ass at all the games you try to play. Cause I own you pretty hard and stuff, right? Nice, own you, I own you like you're like somebody's mom trying to play the games. I own you. Is that on? I don't think. I will own you sometime, maybe when we play the game. Noobs, I just kinda wanna let you know that I totally own you, and you know, you may think that maybe one day maybe I won't